Hopefully this is a quick video, but I wanted to do a quick overview on the Flexispot C5 because I've seen a lot of ads about Flexispot and just kind of wanted to know what they were up to. I needed a new chair at work, so I had work order me this. Flexispot had no input on this or no knowledge of me making this video. This is just a short overview though. The full review is coming. So first, so it comes in big cardboard box. Came pretty quick. That's the white casters. I got the gray C5 with the 4D arms supposedly, and I also got it with, it has the mesh back and foam seat. So let's see kind of how it turns out. So this is the headrest. This is the back. Set that right over here for now. It has and I'm gonna take everything out first. Nice foam pad. It's decent. Then the leg. And last but not least, the height adjustment. So I'm gonna unwrap this all and kind of sort it out. So this is the chair, all laid out. So you obviously get the headrest, back. I got the one with the foam seat. You can get with the mesh sheet. The mesh sheet one looks a little different. The arms and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna put it all together. And there's a nice little handy thing that says where the front is for the right side, not the left side. So at least for the right side, you know. But yeah, it stinks how I didn't bring any of the ratcheting screwdrivers I have into the office to use to do this. But there's also a little bit of adjustment, which is really cool, how you can actually adjust the in and out. Putting on the base. Looks pretty decent quality, hopefully. So yeah, that's a good sign. So I noticed something neat while I was putting on the headrest is it is actually semi-optional. There actually is a cover, and it's not quite the right size, but in theory, I can just put this in here and it will just cover the holes on the back. But yeah, I have the chair built mostly, and I'm gonna finish it up now. So here is something I noticed while reading the manual was the fact that office chair wise, according to this, only the C7 and C7 Pro have the 5-year warranty. That does not necessarily mean that the C5, which is what I have, doesn't have a warranty, but that's something to look out for. So I just looked. The C5 does in fact have a 3-year warranty on their website. So this is the chair, fully assembled. It has a bunch of different features. So one of the cool things is with the gray one, you get the 4D armrest. So it goes up, down, back, forward, side, side. You get the headrest, which can go up and back and then down. You get the lumbar support, which is adjustable. So you can go in and out on that. And also you can go up and down with it. It's a plastic mechanism, but seems decently tough. Yeah, no, it's bad. I barely use this. It's at the wrong angle, straight up. As you can see, I'm moving it up where it should be, and it's not staying. It has the actual height-wise, it does work for my 6'1" frame. I'm about half legs, half body, or torso. So yeah, overall though, I sat in it once, seems good. I'm gonna sit in a bit more tomorrow to make sure it's good for me, so then before I release the video. I'm gonna probably also do a long-term review if there's any issues. If there's not any issues, I might just make a quick short or something about it. But if there are issues, I'll make it another video explaining any issues I have with this chair. So then people are aware of it. So this is my old chair, my new chair next to each other. So this video was just a overview of the chair, very basic, not much review of it. I am going to definitely make a video actually going over my issues with the chair. This is a good chair overall, but I have some specific issues that I do want to go over in another video that will be way longer.